What you cooking, huh? Egg. You mad at me?
Man, just leave me alone. Let me be myself.
You crying?
Crying for what, man? Come on.
I was just asking, huh? That's why I say I do it for you, cause my mama she don't want you cooking.
This is a microwave, man. I know what the hell I'm doing. I worked in a restaurant all my damn life. I know what the hell I'm doing.
What restaurant you worked at, huh?
Don't worry about where I worked at.
Why you trying to get mad?
Cause you frustrate me.
Ah, I ain't frustrating you. You're a grown man. Come on now. I'm just talking to you. I said I'll cook it for you if you want me to.
Alright, I'm alright.
Cause she don't want you to burn down the house.
In a microwave?
I mean, you're right, though. You can... whatever. I don't think you should act like that when Aunt and man, you and Aunt try to bust her ass to get you some cigarette while your sister gone. And you getting mad at me. That ain't right, huh? You might want to stir them up, huh? Let me see how I do it for you.
I got this down, man. Leave me alone.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Oh, you gotta put them back in there, huh?
Yeah, alright.
Let me see.
No.
No, they still have.
Ain't nobody got to eat this but you.
Somebody at the door.